Hey everyone, Irix Guy here. Now this is the GoPro HD Hero 3 Black Edition. Now I'm posting this video because I found a bug, and I don't know if it's a software issue or if it's if I may have gotten defective hardware in my GoPro HD Hero 3 Black camera. But basically what happens, and you can see now the camera is off. And before I continue, I'll let everyone know I've checked the firmware version. It is the most current, up-to-date firmware. It's HD 3.03.01.89. And then the Wi-Fi version is 3.2.3.12. So the most current firmware on the camera, and by the way, I confirmed that by browsing to my camera. I use a Mac computer, so I went into the camera when I plugged it in, and there was a text file in there that displays this firmware version. So I'd already contacted GoPro tech support on the phone. They walked me through manually updating the firmware, even though I had automatically updated the firmware by way of their website. So now we know we got the most current firmware on here. But what happens with the camera off, as you can see, it's not powered on. When I plug in my USB cable, it's plugged into my computer, this red light on the back comes on. The red light right above the, I guess it'd be your accessory slot, you know, if you put a backpack or something on the camera. But the reason this is a problem is that now, if I try to turn the camera on, and you'll notice I'm pushing it for several seconds as well, if I try to push the top button, and even if I disconnect the USB cable, that red light on the back remains illuminated. And as you can see, none of the other indicator lights are illuminated, none on the front either. But even after disconnecting the USB cable, if I try to power it on, the camera fails to power on. The light stays illuminated. And the only way to get rid of that light is to remove the battery, and then reseat the battery. Now if I turn the camera on, it turns on fine, but that's because I didn't plug in the USB cable before attempting to turn it on. But curiously enough, with the camera on, if I plug in the USB cable, it starts to charge, but it does not lock anything up. So there's something really weird going on here. I don't know if it's firmware, I don't know if it's hardware, but if you've seen the same problem, let me know. And if you found a fix, let me know. And likewise, once this issue is resolved for me, I'll let everyone know what was done. And this video, just wanted to get out there. Again, I love GoPro. I've had nothing but great experiences with my HD Hero 2, and I'm quite confident that this issue with my GoPro HD Hero 3 Black Edition should be easy to resolve. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day.